Welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel, where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today we're going to be looking at the price of EGLD and the possibility of it going into price discovery very shortly. We're also going to look at the price of Sora XOR, do an update on Ethereum Bitcoin. I have one altcoin that looks like it's getting primed for a takeoff. So if that sounds good to you, please like and subscribe on the way in, and the Discord link is down below in the description. EGLD is testing its previous all-time high at $237. And you know what happens when we break our all-time high? We go into price discovery. When this asset goes into price discovery, in the past it's yielded over 10x returns. I'm not saying that we're going to see a 10x here, but it is still possible depending on where Bitcoin ends up. If Bitcoin goes to 100 grand eventually in the near term future over the next few months, 6 months, then it is possible to see another 10x out of EGLD. Let's take our next targeted area for EGLD. We'll just take the fib retracement tool here and try to get a Fibonacci targeted zone. So if we're looking at the 1.618 as our next area of interest, that will put us at around a $334 EGLD. Nonetheless, regardless of a 10x or not, $334 sounds pretty damn good to me, even with EGLD in the near term future. Next, we're going to look at XOR or Sora. So I had a 4-hour trend line here that did get bust through, which is fine. I mean, with all coins that go this parabolically, we do typically see at least like a 40 to 50% retracement. So right now we are at the 37 in total, and then right now we're sitting at a 28% drawdown from the all-time high. But all we did here was go down and retest the previous all-time high, which I said in previous videos may be what happens. Again, with the airdrop, with the mainnet launching soon, expect extreme volatility. Obviously, since it's a low cap as well, which I've also mentioned, the volatility is going to be much higher in this specific coin. But with the airdrop being put out, I still am fully in my position. I still do see the long-term outcome of this one to be up. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for the good things that I believe are going to come from XOR and the Sora ecosystem. So let's jump right into the altcoin that I specified is looking in a very interesting spot right now, and that's Litecoin. So Litecoin did break the previous not all-time high, but previous high that it had here in February, and now it's currently retesting it. It is a show of strength, so we'll have to see how this one plays out. Nice, beautiful W pattern. So if we did take measured move from the bottom of the W to the top of the W, and then we just put it on top of our support level, this would yield us about a $345 Litecoin. We'll have to see how this pattern plays out. I do love buying support levels, so I was looking at this one once it started creating this W, but Litecoin is up substantially, don't get me wrong, but if you compare it to some other market participants, even Ethereum, which has a much larger market cap, the overall market structure has been a lot nicer with Ethereum in regards to its dollar value. But I am starting to get interested in Litecoin at these levels. I do hold a few Litecoin which I grabbed around the $40 mark, but I may be interested in adding this or some Litecoin to my open trading account. We'll have to see how it goes, but just wanted to give this one and put it on your radar. ADA, quick update. So we are seeing some positive price action here on the 6-hour. The RSI did break into the bullish control zone here. It's the first time it's happened since this huge run up here. So we'll have to monitor it and see how it goes, but this is a beautiful reaccumulation zone in my opinion for Cardano. Bitcoin dominance continues to fall. We didn't even really get a relief bounce at all. So we'll have to see what happens here, if it's just going to continue down. But a relief bounce would make sense here, in my opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean it has to happen, but we'll have to monitor it and see how it goes. Bitcoin 1 week chart is still holding above the parabolic uptrend line, still looking good here in my opinion. The ascending triangle, which I outlined in a previous video, is still valid, still has not broken either to the downside or the upside. Going into Ethereum, we retested our all-time high, and now we're above that level, consolidating. Does look like it wants to go higher, in my opinion. We'll have to see how it goes, but that's my lightning quick update for today. So if you like content, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and go see the Discord and the Patreon link down below. Until next time, see you on the next video. Cheers.